Michael Jaafar. Michael, I'll start with you. We may be seeing one of the reasons there in that cross-examination why the state decided not to call him, or the Commonwealth decided not to call him. One of the things you can do on cross is control a witness, right? You can take them where you want them to go, and you see that happening here to great effect. If you call him on direct, things are a little different. You have to let them tell their story, and if he's not really a friendly witness, that could be problematic. Do you agree with the streamlining of the case? We know they basically cut their witness count in half almost this time around. Do you agree with that tactic this time by the Commonwealth?
1000% agree, and I'm very, very, very impressed with the way Hank Brennan made these decisions. Look, I don't want to be a hypocrite and say that I saw this coming all along. I did not. I never thought in a million years that he would not bring any of these people, minus Jen McCabe, right? In hindsight, it's such a brilliant strategy. It's a completely brilliant strategy, and it was the right move, because at the end of the day, you saw a motion earlier this week where he was begging, he was tempting the defense to call Michael Proctor. Now Hank Brennan wants them to call Michael Proctor, and so now we know his theory, we know his thinking. Because of that motion, that lends credence to exactly what you just asked me, which is this was his strategy all along. It was, listen, you want to mess around? Go ahead. Call these witnesses. I'll cross-examine them, and I'll get the actual narrative on the table. Because at the end of the day, this was a brilliant strategy. So to answer your question, yes, this was intentional. Hank Brennan did it because he wants to ask them leading questions, because he knows that if he asks them leading questions, he can basically throw back into the defense, throw it back into their lap, their theory, their farcical theory, because on cross-examination, he knows he'd be dangerous. And plus, Hank Brennan's a defense attorney, and we all make our bones on cross-examination. We all tell ourselves we got killer crosses. Not a lot of us do. He really does.